Hey yo, what's up everybody, it's your boy Kazi from Kazi19, and today we're gonna dark mode our apps. Let's freaking do that. So, I'm not gonna waste your time. The app is called HEX Installer, and it requires you to have a Samsung phone running Android 9, well, One UI, and it's not free. It costs $1.99, so it's really cheap and affordable. And the reason I have opened and installed because I paid the app, obviously. And it doesn't require you to have root, so that's pretty good. Opening the app, going to personalize, you have a lot of UI modes. Like, so you have the One UI default mode. So the settings are still the same. The notification bar is still the same. The icons are still the same as well. The multitask, home and back buttons are still the same, and the toggle on and off are still the same. The body Sattva, well, it looks like that. So it kind of looks like here in the icons, it kind of looks like the One UI icon, but in more darker. And here are the toggles. You have IO speed 10, which is my favorite because it looks like a pixel UI. So here in the settings, the notification bar, the icons, and the multitask home back buttons, and the toggles. And you have that one as well, but it's not free. I paid it. It costs $0.99, so it's cheap, and you can find more in the Play Store. But to be honest with y'all, there's not a lot. Like you have that one. Well, the one that I paid, and you have MIUI skin, so your Samsung phone will look like a Xiaomi phone, and unfortunately, it's the only one that is free. Those ones are not free, and those are the only ones that are available. So let's take an example. Let's take that one as an example, and let's go to the coloring section, and you have the background color. Well, it's pretty self-explaining. So as you can see here, I turn it on. I changed it to green. I'm gonna leave it in black. Well, the primary color, that one, it's in orange. Let's make it in blue because I like blue, and blue is the color of the sky. That's right. Accent color. Well, I'm gonna change it to yellow, and that one. That's right, that one. And the primary text color, connections and sounds and vibration. Like, well, I don't know. Let's make it in green so you can see. But in my opinion, it doesn't look good. I prefer the white color because it looks cleaner. And yeah, it looks cleaner. The secondary text color, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, etc. So it's in gray. I'm gonna make it in that one. But I'm gonna leave it in gray because again, it looks cleaner. So the box stroke color, which is that one. Oh, sorry. Which is that one here. That one. I'm gonna change it to a little distinguishable color here. I'm gonna leave it in blue. And the bubble color, which is that. I'm gonna make it in green, so you can see. I'm gonna leave it in green. The QS background color, well, the notification background color, you can change it if you want, but let's be honest, it doesn't look good. Here, it doesn't look good. It looks like a Razer phone. So let's leave it in black. It's cleaner. The QS icon, well, the icon on, well, that one, here. gonna change it, but it doesn't look clean. Let's keep it in white. Well, off here and here and here. I'm gonna change it to to red. I'm gonna leave it in red. Well, that one is here. I'm gonna leave it in. I'm gonna change it to green because it's the new Android 10 color of the Pixel phone. So the icon of background color, which is the little bubble here. So that's right. So you can see what it's like. I'm gonna leave it in black because it looks cleaner. The text color, well, on Monday, June 3, do that one. I'm gonna change it so we can see. I'm gonna change to green here. That's right. I'm gonna leave it in white because it looks cleaner. And you have the notification background color. Well, the little bubble. I'm gonna change it so you can see. Well, it doesn't look good. So let's keep it in black. It looks really good in black. And the notification header text color. Well, that one. Well, I think you can see it. I don't know why do I do that, but let's keep it in that color, which is mixed of blue, mixed of red and pink. That's right, pink. And the notification subtext color, which is that one, that little part. I'm gonna change it so you can see. That's right. Daddy is changing the colors. That's right. I'm gonna leave it in white because it looks cleaner. I don't know how much I said cleaner, but yeah. So you have third-party apps which will be in dark theme, like Instagram, WhatsApp, Twitter, Spotify, Gmail, YouTube, and well, Google. It doesn't look good, so I'm gonna leave it on so you can see how much it doesn't look good. You have the Google Play Store, Google Maps, Snapchat, and Google Translate. So yeah, you have those apps. Unfortunately, you don't have Facebook is not supported. For example, if I go here, as you can see, it's not supported. It's still like it's not supported. You have custom fonts, so you can customize your fonts, and preferences. So preferences, you have the navigation bar height. Yeah, like that. Well, it's pretty self-explaining. You can make your notification panel transparent, but I'm gonna leave it in non-transparent. And you have enable no UI, so it kind of looks like more. It will look like more squarish, and it will look like Note phone. You can replace your LTE icon with a 4G icon. You can hide the multi-SIM panel and hide battery icon, round the keyboard and round the keyboard, and remove custom app icons. Well, we have the pixel icons, right? Well, I can just leave it in the default ones, but I'm not gonna leave it in default ones. So yeah. Those are pretty much the things you can do on your Samsung phone. So yeah, let's build and install. So let's apply the theme. Right now, let's apply the theme. And magic. We have our the pixel. Well, the pixel icons. That's right. We have the notification bar, which is like that, with our colors. And if I toggle, that's right. If I toggle, well, we have a little animation, which really looks good. So that's right. A little, I don't know, a little pixel touch. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, you have that. All right. It's kind of buggy. All right. Just gonna test it. That's right. But I'm gonna enable the gestures because, well, the gestures. So yeah. If we go right now, if we go to Instagram, which is that is my Instagram, so follow me. A little sneaky, you know, ad. So yeah, follow me on Instagram. So it's in you know, in dark. And if we go to WhatsApp, I don't use WhatsApp. I just installed it so I can see if it's supported or not. So yeah, it's, you know, in dark. And the Google Play Store, dark. Google Maps, in dark. Gmail, dark. So yeah, we have Gmail in dark. Just gonna, that's right, Gmail in dark. We have Google. Well, Google doesn't look good. That's why you're like, oh yeah, it looks really good. What are you talking about? But if I search, for example, FC Barcelona, here, look at that mess, dog. It doesn't look good. Look. If I go to images, look at that, dog. What a mess. So yeah, I'm gonna. Well, I suggest you to turn it off because it doesn't look good. And do we have, well, settings here? Looks like a pixel settings. And so yeah, and YouTube. So yeah, YouTube. YouTube is now in dark. Not gray, but in dark. So that's pretty dope. Thank you, HEX. Appreciate it. So, but there is a problem. If we go to, for example, Samsung Notes, as you can see, it's still in light mode. So what we have to do is go to night mode and, you know, toggle the night mode. We can't. But if we go to the HEX installer and go to night mode, we can turn on the night mode. As you can see here, it's turned on. And if we go to Samsung Notes, that's right, it's in dark this time. You know, same thing with phone, well, messages, and so on. So yeah, Google Translate, didn't show it. Google Translate is in dark as well. And Snapchat. Snapchat is in dark. Oh, hello. Snapchat is in dark. And yeah, it's in dark. Snapchat is in dark. Well, yeah, it's in dark. So yeah, that was how to dark mode your apps. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to smash like and subscribe to keep me motivated and join the Kazi Gang. That's right. See you next time. Take care. Peace.